Welcome back to Fab Garage. Ow!
Here we go again, folks. Another Ford Escape, another flex pipe. Turn my light on here. This one here, missing. It was replaced before. You can see, where's my fingers? Come on, get my hand up there. You can see this is the old part. It was welded here, and you can see where it's welded up there too. So it looks like it's a couple of years old. We're gonna have to get in there and see how this goes, because now it's already cut. Now you have to try to cut away old weld, so I get some fresh metal. I can't be fitting a new flex pipe in there with this, so I gotta cut it shorter. That side there, I gotta cut it shorter, a little closer to the O2 sensor, which I don't like. But I'll follow you through at the same time, and we'll get this one done. There, so we got this down a bit. I tuck away this bracket, give me some more room up here. This one here is all seized up, so I can't move that, but as you can see, there's quite a bit of room up here. So now I gotta get my cutoff wheel, get in here and cut all that old junk out. Come back down here, get the saw in here, cut this piece out, and then we'll reattach it all back together with another new one. So next step, cut that one out. So as you're cutting this, something that I forgot to mention, you can actually watch where you're cutting on the inside of the pipe. Kind of gives you a better guide. Just a little inside note. So, like in my last video, once you get that cut off, so you can actually fit a flex pipe in there, get this part cut off, my two little pieces, now flex pipe will fit. Only thing you got left to do is, like I mentioned in my first video, measure out from here to here, cut it, tack it here, bring it down, weld it, put it back up, and finish welding it up there. So I'll cut it, tack it, show you what it looks like when it's tacked in there and cut. So now it's all cut, fit it in there. It's not welded yet. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tack here a couple of spots so it stays placed, bring it down so I can weld all around it, and then put it back in that hole so I can weld around that. Fun times. Doable. I'll show you. So now we got her on hook there. Got a couple of tacks on her. Hard to see there. One there, one down here. A couple on top, another one over top. Now I can sit here and weld it all and put it back up there and get that one welded up. So let me weld this one up. I'll show you. Then I'll put it back up and we'll weld that one up. So got this side all welded up. All the way around. Can't get up there. There you go. Still all welded up. Now I just gotta go do that one up top. So give me 2 seconds, I'll weld that up and show you the final result before I put it all back together. So there you have it. All done. Let me turn the light on here. That's back up in there. All perfectly placed. All the skirts, everything all back on. She's mint. Another one bites the dust. If you like the video, please think about subscribing, liking the video. Leave a comment down bottom if you want to see something specific, more details or no more info. Until next time, we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks again.